Greetings, my name is Kay-leigh, and in this video I will be presenting an improved integrated marketing communications campaign plan for Bite Back 2030's Giving Kids a Commercial Break campaign. This charity aims to tackle childhood obesity by raising awareness about the harmful effects of junk food advertising targeted at children. In this presentation, I will outline the SMART objectives, target audience, messaging strategy, and communications mix for the campaign, followed by a detailed implementation plan, budget breakdown, evaluation methods, and some key issues, and some ethical issues to consider. So in coursework 1, several key issues were identified that shaped this campaign. One key issue is the strategic campaign locations, where billboards in lower income areas are essential for reaching the most vulnerable populations. Another issue is the effectiveness of communication channels, focusing on leveraging digital platforms for wider reach. The current use of anti-advertising in Bite Back 2030's efforts, such as replacing junk food ads, also plays a key role in influencing policy and public opinion. The following recommendations are based on Keller's coverage and cross-effect synergy, which ensures a mix of communication channels that work together effectively. So to begin with, let's analyze the context in which Bite Back 2030 operates. Some key contextual factors include external opportunities, such as rising concerns about child obesity and increasing public support, external threats, such as persistent junk food ads, internal strengths like strong public engagement through social media, internal weaknesses, including limited campaign reach in lower income areas, and the need for more integration between traditional and digital media efforts. With these factors in mind, we've set the following SMART objectives for the campaign, as you can read on the screen. So the first one is about increasing the average engagement rate, and the second one is about launching the billboard campaign in 10 additional low-income cities. For this campaign, we will focus on 4 primary target audiences, the first one being young people, especially Gen Z, who are active on social media, parents who care about the health and well-being of their children, policymakers to influence public policy on food advertising restrictions, and in general, health-conscious consumers. So the campaign's key message is giving kids a commercial break. We will be using the following integrated marketing tools, and that is the billboards in high traffic and low-income areas. According to research, low-income areas are much more targeted by fast food chains in their marketing strategies, and research also shows the effectiveness of billboard advertising. And another marketing tool we will be using is influencer marketing, where we will be leveraging diet and health advocates on Instagram to reach target audiences directly. This approach uses the theory of research that prove trusted influencers affect audience behavior. So in the communication mix, we will be using advertising, such as out-of-home advertising and billboards, personal selling in the form of influencers, internet and social media marketing, and publicity and public relations, where we will be engaging with media outlets and distributing press releases to amplify the campaign's message. So here is an example of a marketing communication material. As you can see, the junk food advertisement is being replaced by Bite Back's advertisement, and this is in a low-income area. Next, we have an influencer post. This is Kay-leigh, which is a popular nutrition and registered dietitian influencer. The idea is that she holds a sign with "Give Kids a Commercial Break" and advocates for what the charity stands for. To implement the campaign, we'll use a Gantt chart to outline the key activities and timelines. So this is the budget breakdown. It comes to a total of £51,000 for both of the campaigns. These figures are an average taken from industry standards such as on Scene Outdoor and Shopify. So to monitor and evaluate the campaign, we will use analytics tools to track engagement rates, reach, and conversions. We'll calculate engagement using metrics like shares, likes, comments, and use of the likely to see factor for the billboard campaign to estimate the effectiveness of the billboard placements. We can also use surveys and feedback, which can be conducted to understand public perception and experiences, allowing us to make any necessary adjustments throughout the campaign. Finally, there are of course some important ethical issues to consider, the first being transparency. We will ensure that all campaign materials are truthful and transparent about how funds are used. Privacy, we will adhere to secure data management practices, ensuring privacy for individuals engaging with the campaign. We will avoid exploitation and will be mindful of not exploiting vulnerable populations for emotional appeal, focusing on honest advocacy and honesty, where all campaign messaging will be based on factual information to build trust with our audience. So that was it for this presentation. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Goodbye.